eagles? Mohak
Yes,
and Nilima and Madhuri. Hi Madhuri, welcome to Unveil workshop. Okay, at 5:30 we'll be having the fitness class. Hi Mohak. Okay, this is just an interactive class where we got to know each other. So we all know about eagles, right? Have you ever heard about eagles? Can you tell me something about eagles? What you know, you tell about it. Eagle గురించి ఏం తెలిసినా చెప్పండి. Whatever you know, you tell me.
ma'am. Eagle has sharpy and curved claws, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what else? Eagle గురించి ఏదైనా చెప్పచ్చు. You can tell
And
anything
ma'am,
about
it has, ma'am, and it has a beak, ma'am.
Okay, let me tell. Okay, we always hear a quotation or an inspirational note saying that soar like an eagle. Kada? Soar like an eagle ante enti? So why eagle soar? What is an eagle? Why everybody will say that let us have an eagle attitude? Eagle కి ఏంటి ఆ attitude ఉంటుంది? Why everybody will say that we should have like an attitude like an eagle? You know, eagles have like 6 qualities. Okay, those 6 qualities are very unique. So let us learn about the 6 qualities about eagle and how it will be useful for us. Okay children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Okay, ma'am.
eagle is called the king of the sky. Okay, so let's see this small short video.
Soar like an eagle, to aim high, to do something big. But nobody tells us how. I will tell you how. Is that easy? No, it's not. But it's not impossible. We want to have attitude like an eagle. But why? Because we see and we know eagles as a sign of power and ability and speed. So we need power, ability, speed, and vision, just like an eagle has. Now I will tell you 6 things that eagles do, and you can do these things and apply in your own life to have an attitude like an eagle and soar like an eagle. Write it down. Number 1, eagles fly alone.
Ma'am, you are in mute, ma'am.
Okay, ఇప్పటి వరకు you have seen the video, right? What do you mean by eagle? Eagle is a symbol of strength. Eagle is a symbol of ability, power, you know, flying high, aiming high. So all these things are the qualities of an eagle. So why can't you all take a white paper and a pen or pencil and write down the qualities of an eagle? Okay, I'll tell you 6 points. What are the attitudes of an eagle and how we can implement them in our lives? Okay, please take a paper and a pen and write it down. Why am I saying you to write down? When we write it down, it will go into us, you know, we will remember it more. So please take a paper or a rough book or whatever, your diary. So today we are going to learn about eagle. Okay, today we are going to learn about the attitude of an eagle. Eagle ka aim attitude untundo we are going to learn. Is everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first quality ఏంటంటే eagles fly alone. Eagles fly. The first point is eagles fly alone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Anusha. Good evening, Anirudh. Yeah, today we are just talking about eagle. Okay, we are talking about a small short story about eagle. Okay, please take a paper and a pen and write down the qualities what we are listing down. Okay, children, should I start? Yes, Anirudh.
Ma'am, could you show that from the starting because I was late to the class?
Yeah, I am just telling you, I'll show it from the starting. Today we are going to talk about eagle's attitude. Okay, everybody will be telling,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
soar like an eagle. Why they will say a soar like an eagle? Have an eagle's attitude, have an eagle's mindset. What are the qualities of an eagle? Why people will be telling about eagle all the time, having eagle's mentality. So today we are going to discuss about 6 qualities of an eagle where we can imbibe in our lives, and we also can aim high, dream high, and achieve whatever we are focusing on. Okay, so the
Yes, ma'am.
first quality is eagles fly alone. So write down in your paper eagle's attitude, and the first point is eagles fly alone.
Those who fly solo have the strongest wings. So don't be afraid to fly alone, to walk alone. The reality is, people will not understand your dreams and your vision, even they will not support you. There will be some naysayers, some negative
Complete,
people.
ma'am.
And if you tell them about your dreams, they will try to stop you, they will try to bring you down. They can't see the opportunity that you think you have. So you have to walk alone. You have to fly above the negativity. You have to start your journey alone. And if you learn to fly alone, to walk alone, you will be the strongest and powerful man. Your confidence level will grow. So next time you will not be scared to fly alone. So try to fly alone, because eagles don't fly with pigeons. So don't
Evening,
depend on
ma'am.
anyone to fly with you, to assist you. You have the power to touch the sky. Everyone has that power, but not everyone dares to touch the sky. You will never recognize what kind of power you have inside of you if you don't fly alone. But when you fly above everything, where nobody dares to go, you will meet some sky toucher, full of experience. You can share your dreams with them, and they will share their experience with you. So fly high and fly alone.
Okay, so the first point ఏంటిది మనకు? We have to fly alone. ఏంటి అంటే ఈగల్ ఇట్ ఫ్లైస్ అలోన్, గ్రూప్స్ లో వెళ్ళదన్నమాట. పిజియన్స్ ని చూస్తారు కదా, ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్లై ఇన్ గ్రూప్స్, రైట్? వేరే బర్డ్స్ అన్ని చూస్తారు కదా, గ్రూప్స్ లో ఫ్లై అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, ఫ్లూ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఈగల్ అలా కాదు, ఇట్ ఫ్లైస్ అలోన్ అన్నమాట. అండ్ ఇట్ ఫ్లైస్ హై, హయ్యర్ అండ్ హయ్యర్. సో దాని యొక్క ఫస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ ఏంటి అంటే, ఇట్ డజంట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ఎనీబడి. తన డ్రీమ్ ఏంటి, మనమైనా కానీ మన డ్రీమ్ ఏదైనా ఉందనుకోండి, వీ షుడ్ నాట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ సంబడి, రాదర్ దాన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అచీవ్ బై అవర్ సెల్ఫ్స్ అనమాట. కొంతమంది నెగిటివ్ పీపుల్ ఉంటారు, నెగిటివ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటారు, మనల్ని డిగ్రేడ్ చేస్తారు, మనల్ని డిస్కరేజ్ చేస్తారు. But you know, we have to have the strength and power to stay confident and committed to our dreams and achieve it alone. Even if nobody is there, you are there. You have the power within you where you can achieve your dreams and you can succeed. తర్వాత మీరు సక్సెస్ అయిన తర్వాత పీపుల్ విల్ రికగ్నైజ్ యూ. అరే నిజంగానే కదా మనం అప్పుడు చెప్పినప్పుడు వినలేదు, సూజన్ చెప్పినప్పుడు తను చేయగలుగుతుందని అనుకోలేదు, బట్ సీ నౌ షీ డిడ్ ఇట్. రియల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అప్రిషియేట్ హర్ అండ్ దే విల్ బి టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ స్టోరీస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకుంటాం కదా, బిల్ గేట్ స్టోరీస్ చెప్పుకుంటాము, యా, తర్వాత అబ్దుల్ కలాం స్టోరీస్ చెప్పుకుంటాము, అయితే నరేంద్ర మోడీ స్టోరీ చెప్తాము, హౌ తన చైల్డ్హుడ్ ఎలా ఉంది, నౌ వేర్ హీ ఈజ్ అని, బికాస్ దోస్ ఆర్ ద పీపుల్. ఎస్
Ma'am, to fly high, we just should not have fear.
yes, we should not fear, we should have that dareness, courage, you know.
Ma'am, we need to be led. If someone scolds also, we need to argue.
So we should not get disappointed. We should not get disappointed. We should always
Yes, ma'am.
have suggestions. See, all our well-wishers will give us suggestions. You know, but we have to take the suggestions. But we should not get discouraged. At the right timing, we have to make ourselves strong and confident and to achieve our dreams. Okay, you understood the first point, first attitude of eagle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's go to the second point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, write it down. What is the second point is eagle like storms. Eagle like storms. Eagle loves storms, in fact. Okay, you can just write it as eagle loves storms. If everybody finished writing down, I'll play the video. Yes, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's see the second quality of an eagle.
Number 2, eagles love the storm. While all birds find shelter in the comfort zone during this rain and storms, all of the birds try to avoid rain and storm. But the eagle welcomes the rain and storm. They are excited to go through the challenge. They love to fly high during the storm above the clouds. And in this way, they grow stronger and more powerful. So don't run from the challenge in your life. Instead of running, welcome them and get excited about the challenge and hard times. Rather complaining or trying to avoid the challenge, run toward the challenge. That's how you can grow faster and stronger and powerful. Just remember, the more you face the challenge, the more you get opportunities and the more you evolve dominant. Number 3,
Okay, the second point. Ain't eagle loves the storms. So how can we imply this into our lives? You know, ఎప్పుడైనా వాన పడింది అనుకోండి, పిజియన్స్ కానివ్వండి, అదర్ బర్డ్స్ కానివ్వండి, దే గో ఇన్ టు దేర్ నెస్ట్ ఆర్ సమ్ హైడింగ్ ప్లేస్, యు నో. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ సమ్ ఛాలెంజ్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్, something happens, you know, we should not hide, we should not get scared. Rather than we have to welcome the storms, rather than we have to welcome the rain like eagle is welcoming the rain. ఏంటి అంటే క్లౌడ్స్ నుంచి మనకు రెయిన్ వస్తుంది కదా, సో ఈగిల్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే క్లౌడ్ కి పైన ఫ్లై చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఫ్లైస్ హై అబౌవ్ ద క్లౌడ్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్స్ ద రెయిన్. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ సమ్ డిఫికల్టీస్ కమ్, ఎనీ ఛాలెంజెస్ కమ్, we should not be cowards or scared. Rather than we have to welcome the challenges and start enjoying the challenges, facing them, you know, and conquering them. Okay, so that is how we will become more strong in lives. ఎప్పుడు కంప్లైంట్ చేయడం కాకుండా, my parents are not giving me this, or else I would have got first rank, you know, or else, you know, the teacher is not teaching us properly. Maybe that is the reason I'm not able to understand math. Maybe I don't have a proper network connection at home. That is the reason I'm not able to attend online classes. See, we always have excuses. Everybody will have excuses. But the person who overcome the excuse and face the challenge will definitely reach higher, you know, like eagle. So everybody understood, right? The second point, we should always welcome challenges. So you're tough enough to welcome challenges, or you're covered enough to run away from the challenge, So it's up to you what kind of attitude you want to have. You want to have an eagle attitude, then you have to welcome the challenges and face the challenges, whatever is coming to your day-to-day life. Okay, children, should we go to the next point? Yeah. The third point is eagles always have the vision. Please write it down on your paper. Third quality of an eagle is eagles always have a vision.
మ్యామ్
Yes.
మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయినాం మ్యామ్.
పర్వాలేదు, ఒక వైట్ పేపర్ పెన్ను తీసుకొని చెప్పిన పాయింట్స్ రాయండి. ఈగల్ యాటిట్యూడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం మనం. ఓకే, సో the third point, the third attitude of an eagle is it always have a vision. Should we go ahead and see the video?
Eagles
Ma'am,
always
someone is drawing on the video.
having
ma'am.
excellent vision and concentration is most important thing to get what you want. Eagles should
Ma'am,
only
can you
focus
tell
on their
that
goals,
point again?
not on fear.
I didn't hear it, ma'am.
After setting
Eagles always have the vision. Eagles always have the vision. Okay, so let's see that point now.
their target to hunt an animal, they make their vision so clear, and they only put their focus on that. They will not move their focus until they hunt it. In the same way, focus like a laser. Laser focus will limit your distraction and help you to achieve your goals. Those who concentrate one thing at a time advance in this world. So keep focus no matter what the obstacles are. Number 4.
ఓకే, సో థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఏం చెప్పాము, ఇక్కడ ఏం చూస్తున్నాం మనము, దే ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ అ విజన్. విజన్ అంటే ఏంటి? దే ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ అ గోల్. యు నో, వెన్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హంట్ సమ్ యానిమల్, దే హ్యావ్ ద విజన్. ఓకే, దూరం నుంచి దే స్టే ఫోకస్డ్ అనమాట. యు నో లేజర్ లైట్స్, ఎవ్రీబడి నో లేజర్ లైట్? ఎస్, యా, గన్స్ కి ముందర లేజర్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, లేజర్ లైట్, దానికి డిస్ట్రాక్షన్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు, డైరెక్ట్ ఫోకస్ మీద ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో ఆ ఫోకస్ అనేది ఉండాలి. వీ షుడ్ నెవర్ గెట్ డిస్ట్రాక్టెడ్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. సో యూ కెప్ట్ వన్ ఫోకస్, యూ హ్యావ్ వన్ గోల్, ఆల్వేస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు focus on that goal. So at that time, a person who focus one at a time will definitely reach heights. Okay, so next point, let's go to the fourth attitude of an eagle. Fourth attitude of an eagle is eagle don't eat dead or old things. Please
Can you please take your discussion because you
Ma'am, you're checking internet problem, ma'am.
No, we don't have an internet problem, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
My voice is breaking. Okay, just a second then.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your network is check network, ma'am. Check network, ma'am. That's
Clear now? Yeah. So eagles don't eat dead or old
Yes, ma'am.
things.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
So let's
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
video.
Eagles don't eat dead or
Yes,
old things. You know, the other birds eat what they want, dead and old. Crow eats the garbage, but the eagles feed only fresh prey. As same as if you want to have an attitude like an eagle, don't waste your energy by stuck in the past. Because what's gone is gone, and what's done is done. You have to move on by living the past. You know, the two things that prevent us from happiness and success are number one, living in the past, and another is observing others. An eagle never observes others and never live in the past. Number 5,
Okay.
the female eagle
Fourth point ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాము, they don't eat dead things, okay, or old things. అంటే ఏంటి? They always hunt fresh animals and they eat fresh. Crow eat the garbage. So what you want to be? You want to become a crow or you want to become an eagle? So it is your things. You are dwelling in the past. You are thinking about other people. Then you know it is not going to work out. You want to reach heights. You want to have an eagle attitude. Then you have to leave the past. What is done. Okay, and then focus on the future. Okay, children. And the last point. Okay.
Test the level of commitment when they meet male eagles. And this is the most important thing. Trust is important in relationships, in business, in professional life, or in private life. We must test the level of commitment of people.
ఓకే ది లాస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటి అంటే ట్రస్ట్ అండ్ కమిట్మెంట్. మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో అయినా ఫ్యామిలీలో అయినా ఏ రిలేషన్ అయినా కానీ యూ షుడ్ మెయింటైన్ ద ట్రస్ట్ అండ్ రిలేషన్షిప్ కమిట్మెంట్ అనమాట. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద క్వాలిటీస్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఈగల్. Okay, children. So you want to become an eagle. You want to have an attitude like an eagle. Then now you know what are the qualities of an eagle. Okay. Understood it? Yes. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
6th one? Ma'am.
Sixth one is eagles train
There
hard.
is no sixth one. There are only 5 points.
Yeah, the sixth point is eagles train hard. Okay, ante they go through a very tough training process. చిన్న బేబీ ఈగ్లెట్స్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మదర్ ఈగ్లెట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయంటే దే త్రో దెమ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద నెస్ట్. So they fall down. So why the mother eagle is throwing them down is they are trying to train the eagle so that they can fly high on their own. So that is the training they go through each and every day when they are baby eaglets. So that is the reason they can fly high. Okay, so nothing comes very easily for us. We have to get ourselves trained harder and harder to achieve heights. So that is the sixth point. Eagles train hard. So can anybody
Ma'am?
tell me the 6 points of an
Can
eagle?
you tell the 6 points in shorter?
Eagles train hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Eagles train.
Eagles fly alone, ma'am.
Spotlight, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll tell you 6 points. Eagles fly alone.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay. సరే మనకి 5:30 అయిపోయింది. So
Ma'am, should I tell my point?
yeah we will repeat it later. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 5:30 అయిపోయింది కదా. We will start off the physical fitness class. Let's log out and log in afresh. Okay, let's log out and log in fresh and start the fitness class. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.